Welcome to How to Take Down the 20 by 20 Tent. Hello folks, it's me again, Reggie, your ever-ready, charming and debonair announcer. Here this time to walk you through how to take a 20 by 20 foot tent down. You know what they say, what goes up must come down. Before we get started, I need to emphasize to you that as we take down the tent components, we will be organizing them in shipshape and Bristol fashion, meaning nice and orderly-like with our best effort. This will make it easy to take a visual inventory before the hardware goes back in the hardware tub and the poles get picked up. Here's a picture of how you should arrange everything. Mostly, there are 4 of everything except when there are 8 of some things. When there are 8, put them in 2 sets of 4. Uh-oh, your teachers were right. You do use math in everyday life. Okay, here you see the 4 knuckles are grouped together. The 8 10-foot poles are in 2 sets of 4, with the shorter 8-foot poles next to them also in a tight grouping of 4. Line them up on the same baseline so we can easily tell the longer poles from the shorter. The 2 cables are coiled neatly, easy to see, with the 4 corners lined up next to them. The 8 stakes are in 2 sets of 4, and the light-duty and heavy-duty straps are wound as neatly as can be in their lines. They are hard to see, but the 4 feet are there lined up too. Trying to hide, aren't they? Ah, camera shy, I guess. So, the order doesn't matter as much as long as it's grouped as discussed and easy to see. Right then, let's get to it. First step! Pulling the stakes out of the ground. You will need a crowbar for this. If the folks putting up the tent followed my careful and expert directions, they will have left the head of the stake 2 inches up, so you've got something to grab onto. Once you have the stake out of the ground, remove the light-duty strap ring. Then, unhook the other end of the strap from off the corner piece. Do this for all 4 corners. Wrap all the light-duty straps neatly and place them in the inventory area. Now it's time to remove the heavy-duty straps from the tent rigging and unhook them from the bottom of the foot pieces. Wrap those heavy-duty straps up nicely and place them in the inventory area as well. Keep them in groups. Your team can work simultaneously to remove the light-duty and heavy-duty straps. It is now possible to take the legs out of the feet. Do this to make pulling the feet stakes out of the ground an easier proposition. Feel free to use different tactics to get the stakes out of the ground. Once the feet and stakes are free from Mother Earth, take them to the inventory area and group them neatly. Well, that was the easy part. Now, take note. Much more care needs to be taken as we take the legs out of the corners. You'll need at least 3 people to help and a strong bloke with a broomstick or long crowbar to push the tent frame up and off the leg. Once the frame has cleared the leg, one team member will quickly pull the leg out away from the tent and take it directly to the inventory area. The chap holding the tent frame up will slowly lower the frame while 2 teammates on either side of the corner take the weight of the frame and carefully lower it to the ground. Mind now, when you position yourselves to take the frame, that you are on the outside of the tent. We don't want anyone getting squished now, do we? Repeat this same process on an adjacent leg. Caution! With half the frame now on the ground, the other 2 remaining legs can kick out unexpected-like. Tread around them carefully, like they are the backside of an ornery mare. Whoa there, Nelly! Now that half of the frame is down, it's time to loosen the buckles holding the top to the frame. With all the buckles unlatched, it's time to take down the center pole. This is done by pushing the bottom cable straight down, out of the groove on the bottom of the center pole and toward the legless side of the tent. Then, grab the bottom of the center pole and slide it along the top cable toward the open end of the tent. Take it all the way out and put it in the inventory area. Once that's done, carefully take off the other 2 legs, one at a time.
And as you set it down, try to keep the tent from pinching the canvas. We want these to be up. Okay.
Now, with the frame lying flat on the ground, it's time to detach the top from the frame. Look for the corner that has a long strap. One of you heave on that long strap to loosen the tension on this first nylon loop that's hooked onto the corner piece. Now, it will be easier to unhook the other 3 nylon loops. Listen carefully to hear the special instructions on how to pull the top off the frame and fold it. It's not just like throwing your knickers into the hamper.
You to lift right there so that we don't suck the tarp down to the grass. So give me some air through here. There we go, and walk with me. Careful for the cables, they'll trip you. If you see it get caught, uncatch it.
Reviewing pulling the canvas off the frame. A team member will grab the point of the canvas. We will call this person the point guard. The point guard will lift the point and walk it carefully backward. At the same time, another team member needs to lift the long edge opposite of the point, relieving any vacuum pressure. Both team members must take care not to trip on the frame or the cables that are still attached to the frame. Other team members make sure the canvas does not get caught along the way.
We're going to fold it by triangle, so just kind of pull all of that way, and we're going to get this first corner laid out into a triangle from the point to halfway across. Take all of that loose fabric and pull it that way. Yep, all the way there. All right, good. If you would, grab the point and just kind of pull it. We're going to try to pull tension from that point to this corner here. So grab the point and just pull it against me. The only line we're concerned about is this line right here, from there to here. Okay, now we're going to get that down flat. Go ahead and lay it down, but keep a hold of the point. Straight down. And now keep some pressure on that point. Hand is better. Okay, so the only part we're worried about right now is from that point down to the center of the tent. And here, we get this flat, and then we bring these over one at a time. So I'm going to reach in and grab this strap here. You're going to help me kind of keep this line straight as we go across. Oops. We're trying to keep this flat. And then we'll do the next 2 one at a time. Okay, let it come a little more, let it come a little more. Perfect. Hold on. So this seam here should be the furthest thing out. So I'm going to pull it.
So, the key points to remember thus far are: use a nylon loop to determine the corner sections with which you are working. Endeavor to keep everything flat. Use the seams, which you will be able to see as you are working, as guidelines. The point guard needs to keep tension at the top, while a team member brings one section over at a time. The other team members help keep the canvas flat and wrinkle-free. Hey, kind of like an old movie star. Pulled tight and wrinkle-free.
All right, bring that next one. Yep. We got them laying down flat in here. Looking good. Not bad. All right, now bring the next one over. Perfect. Okay. Now you'll notice these curve here, and there's a straight line that goes right through here. Can you see the seam here? That straight line going? That's what we're going to try to do. So we start this with just about that much.
Fold in this little bit to make a more uniform starting line.
And fold it. And as we go, what we're trying to do is we're trying to keep this line parallel with that one.
Did you catch that? Keep these 2 lines parallel with each other as you work. It's these pro tips that will make it easier to get the tent top into its carrying bag.
It looks like we need to come a little bit more. We'll keep this tight, roll it again. Larry, come and help me roll this one. It's going to start getting more difficult as further it gets away. Again. We're trying to keep the outside line parallel with that one. We're looking pretty good. Again. Yep, again. And one more time.
If your lines aren't parallel at this point, best to redo it before going further. You should be pulling back each fold to keep it tight and snug.
Then we take this point and we tuck it right there so it's not overlapping the other part.
Take the point so it folds in like this with no overlapping. I'm revealing all the tent folding secrets.
And then that serves as our point to start folding. We fold up this way. And that's it. We drag it over. Oh, that should be okay.
Now get your team to shimmy this beautifully folded tent top into its carrying bag. Time to take the two cables off the frame. There's a trick to it, because the cables are under tension. Lift one of the corners where the top cable is attached.
So when it's on top, you lift the whole side up. That shortens the distance and it comes right off. The other one should come off now without having to lift. Go ahead and coil those up independently. So we got two coils. Set them over there to be counted.
You heard the man. Two of the team members coil up the cables and take them to the inventory area. Other team members can start disassembling the frame. Alrighty then. Everything should now be in the inventory area, organized and easy to see. The poles should be in groups of 4, and the feet, straps, stakes, corners, and cables should also be organized neatly. Now give yourself a pat on the back and get on to the next tent.